Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, this is going to be my 2021 goals video. So stick around and watch the intro because YouTube's gonna play it right now. So hey guys, it's the middle of January right now, and this video is going to be recorded over time. I'm not gonna do it all right here at this moment, so it's gonna be over the next few days or so. So I'm not sure when this is gonna get posted, but I'm walking out to the back right now. My ducks are a little cranky because I haven't let them out today, so we're gonna do that and let them out and watch them run. Hold on. Release the quacking. Let's see. I gotta get some more hay in there. They patted down all the hay and snow covered it. Trying to, you can see it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna go in there and throw hay over all of it and thicken it up. When we I layer it up for them, and then in the springtime I just got one hell of a mess to clean up. So I guess they're not gonna come because I'm standing here. I don't know. Here they come. What are you doing? This is supposed to be my 2021 goals video, not staring at the ducks, just quacking. So I got 3 males. Male, male, male. And then that's the female back there. 2 khakis, a mallard, and I can't remember what Mumbles is. Mumbles the big black one in front. Definitely not the leader. I don't know which one's the leader. But they don't shut up. Let's see. Watch me chase them. They don't come around. Some people's ducks hug them. Mine don't hug me. All right, let them be. They don't mind the snow, but they do whine a lot about it, I guess. But they don't seem to have an issue walking through it or going through it or anything. But they do whine about it. So I'm going to start with goal number 1. Goal number 1 is to try to get 80 contracts this year. Last year I was about 70. This year I want to get up to 80. I know it's not a big jump, but I think it's a good jump for me to be in my second full year. So that is my first goal. And I will be recording my rest of my goals over time. So, outfits may change, beard shaving may change. My kids hate it. So does my wife. Anyway, all right, guys. I'll be back with you in a minute. So another goal of mine is to try and reduce my expenses when it comes to equipment and repairs. I'm not planning on buying any new equipment this year, but my expenses last year were about the same as my paychecks for the whole year. Not my paychecks personally, but employee paychecks. So I'm projecting my employee paychecks to be about the same. However, I need to cut back on my expenses / maintenance equipment. It was ridiculous. So a goal of mine is to try to cut that expense, equipment, maintenance in half. That's my goal. And I should do that maybe. Well, I couldn't say that because, my goal is to cut it in half. I'm just thinking in the future, like if I get more clients in plowing, I might have to buy another plow, but I don't know. Maybe I won't. If that changes everything, if I don't apply. Well, anyway, cut my expenses in half. That is another goal of mine this year. Hey, another goal of mine is to actually pay myself. I have not paid myself the year and a half I've been in business. So I am trying to get myself on the payroll this year. I'm working with my CPA on that, and that is a goal of mine, to pay myself a salary for the whole year and manage that through the next winter, 2021, 2022 winter. So that is a big goal of mine. Help some income come in the house. Another goal would be to get my YouTube channel more consistent when it comes to uploading videos. That would be something that I need to do, stay on a schedule. I tried very hard to do that last year. I did not succeed as often as I'd like. So I'm going to try to do better this year for you guys and for me. Another goal would be to become more of a all-around lawn care service. Even if I had to subcontract some jobs out, I want to be able to have my customers come to me for everything, and have me organize and control it. If we can do it ourselves at Ulnar Lawn Care, we will. If I can't do it, like if it's a big landscaping job or something, I want to be able to subcontract it out and still give them the best price possible and best quality work. So that is a goal of mine this year, to become more of a all-around service provider for your lawn care needs. So that is a goal of mine this year. Hey guys, so we're back. I just let my ducks out and for this day, and it's the end of January now. And they're not in my backyard, but I have a feeling I know where they are. So let's take a little walk. Let's take a little walk and find them. Here, let me turn this around. All right, so there's my duck coop back there. Let me see if you can zoom in on it a little bit. It's back there, right? So that's my backyard property. So let's see where they went. All right. Good thing is we can follow the tracks. This is where my ducks go when I let them out. This is my neighbor's house, and they're good peoples. But you can see the ducks, they just, no cares given. They just strut through the yard like it's theirs. But where could they be going? Where could they be going? Well, it looks like they hung a little left right here and went this way. Well, they crossed right there. Oh, look, a little green grass. So they walked across this. I'm sure they did. And let's see. Where could they have gone from here? The funny thing is I don't see their tracks, but I know they went this way. So let's see if I can find them tracks real quick. Oh, there they are. They're on the road. So the question you ask yourself is, did they cross the road or not? No, they didn't. They didn't cross the road. They walked on the road. They strut the road like it's their business. They do what they want. Again, no cares in the world. You know, they don't care if they get hit by a car. I mean, cars go kind of fast this way, as you can see. But they just walked on the middle of the road. And right about here, they busted in. So you're talking, my house is that one. So they go 1, 2, 3 houses down to this creek all the time. And this is where I find them. This is like their new little honey hole. And for a while, we have to come down here and shoo them back. But we've given up on that. Now, they just go for their little swims, chill out, and then they will always go back to the yard. But they like this little creek right here. I hope our neighbors don't mind. I haven't gone and knocked on their door at all. I mean, they are just ducks, but that's where you find them. What are you guys doing down there? Huh? What are you doing down there? But they're happy. They come down here. They go for their little swim, even in the winter. This is why we're building them a pond out back next summer, I hope. It's the plan anyway. That's one of my goals. But if you see, there's actually ducks back there that are not mine. And one of them was a mallard. I don't know if you can see them back there. There's about 3 or 4 ducks back there. But those 4 are definitely my ducks. I just hope I don't find them laying on the road one day. And maybe this is why they come down here. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe they made friends with the other ducks. They're kind of swimming down the creek right now towards them. Slowly, but I think they're a little scared because of me. Hey guys, so that's some of my goals for 2021. What are your goals? Hey, I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to call out 3 people. I'm going to call out Mark from Mark's Misfit Worlds, Ben from Acme Mowing, and Mike from Mike Bush Greens Adventures, MBG Adventures. Anyway, what are you guys' goals? Hey, put them out there, so share them with everybody. You don't have to name them all. Just about 5 is what I did, I think. I don't know. I didn't count them. Anyway, them are some of my goals for 2021. And my ducks, doing a little wandering. All right. Hey, remember, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. It's Floyd. I'm out.